Wayekal Hasamayim, Wahares, Wekal Sebaam, Genesis 2 verse 1. The heaven and earth was completed in all their hosts. This is the reason for keeping the Sabbath. The heaven and earth was completed in all their hosts. This is the reason for keeping the Sabbath. Wayekal Elohim Bayom Hasabai. And God rested on the seventh day. Melaketo Aser Asa, from all his work that he has made. Waye Sabat Bayom Hasibii. And on the seventh day he rested. Melaketo Aser Asa, from all his works that he has made. Genesis chapter 2 verse 2. Point 1. God stopped creating on the seventh day. Point 2. There's a finished product, a reason to rest. No product, no rest. A lesson for us to apply in our life. To stop working on the seventh day and finish all works to have a finished product at the end of the week. So we should be prepared at the sixth day. All our works are finished. Waybarek Elohim et Yom Hasibii. And God blessed the seventh day. Waykades, and sanctified it. Way Oto Kibo Sabat Melaka Mekal Melaketu Aser Bara Elohim Laasot. Genesis 2 verse 3. Elohim blessed and sanctified the seventh day, and the blessing and sanctity of the seventh day cannot be transferred to the first day of the week. No one can change the law of God. Not even the Pope can change it. Matthew chapter 5 verse 17 and 18. Sakor et Yom HaSabat Lekadesu. Exodus 20 verse 8. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Hebrew word Lekadesu means to keep it holy. Sakor means remember. The command is to remember, not to change. By changing the Sabbath from seventh day to first day is forgetting God's Sabbath. In the Hebrew Bible we read in Ezekiel 20 verse 20. We et sabetotai we kadesu hallow my Sabbaths. Wahayo leot bene obenekem. They shall be a sign between me and you. Ladaat ki ani yodhei wawhei Elohekem, that you may know that I am the Lord your God. Ezekiel 20:20. By keeping the 7-day Sabbath, we have God's sign. By changing the day, we lose God's sign. To change the Sabbath from Saturday to Sunday is losing God's sign and receiving the mark of the beast. To change the Sabbath from Saturday to Sunday is losing God's sign and receiving the mark of the beast. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you. Thank you very much. And I pray to God that you will be always safe and healthy. Thanks for your watching this video. God bless you. This is this is all about our topic, the 7th day by Saldi Shornak. Thank you for watching, and I pray for you always. God bless you. Wala.